Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we learned how to create social media banner for beginners in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. First, create a page in the Adobe Photoshop. Make the guidelines. Create the solid color. Make a circle by using ellipse tool and adjust like this. Take the image and drag on the page. Follow these steps to create a stunning design by one image. This video is very helpful for beginners. Now make a logo by using this icon. Watch carefully and follow these steps for making logo. Now we create a main text. I hope you are enjoying learning. Follow all these steps. Main text is ready. Now we create a tag. Create this shape by using polygon shape with this setting. Now we create some features. If you have any questions, you can ask me in comment section. You can redesign it and tag me on Instagram. The design is almost ready. Make some glow. This is the final look. Enjoy the video and let me know what you think of the design in the comments. Don't forget to like, share the video and subscribe for new videos every week.